Christmas time and there's something in the air. There's a little bit of heaven everywhere. Somehow there's a little more above, maybe just a little less of us. Or maybe we're just slightly more aware. There's a little bit of heaven everywhere. It's a smile on a man who has finally found hope. It's the tears of a mother whose child has come home. It's the joy that we feel and the love that we share. There's a little bit of heaven everywhere. There's a little bit of heaven everywhere. It's funny how it takes a holiday to show us how the world could truly change. If we all took the time to really care, there'd be a little more of heaven everywhere. It's the grace that we show to a world that needs hope. It's giving our lives, knowing they're not our own. It's the joy that